everyone, we are back out at Nether's farm. We just checked in across the street with Mrs. Nether's, and we are heading out to the area over here to collect more flint. If you are coming this fall, just keep in mind hunting season's coming up and they're not allowing flint collecting during hunting season, which is for the best, honestly. Look at the sparkle and Drew's crystal on this piece. Beautiful. Let's see, I got a nice pretty piece here. That banding, that'll tumble up really well. Everything I'm stepping on is all flint. This piece has a big crystal pocket in it. It's hard to tell. Ooh, that whole side of it is druzy. I'll take that. I like the crystals. I like the druze. It's such a nice fall day. This is perfect weather for this. This is another nice piece with some great banding. That would probably nap up really well into some sort of little point. Big crystal pocket on this one in sunlight. That's cool. We'll keep it. I have a lot of flint to collect because I do sell it on my Etsy store, and it's almost Christmas and I'm almost out, and it's my biggest seller. At least it was when I was in stock. So planning on bringing home at least 100 pounds of flint on this trip. Hopefully more than that. There's a fee to collecting it here, since it is private property. They charge $7.50 per person, and then 50 cents per pound of flint. You hear buzzing in the background. Alex got a new toy. Sure, I'm finding a lot of crystal pockets today. So I think we should have brought a little baby leaf blower with us because everything is covered in leaves today. Look how deep this crystal pocket is. That's cool. And then we got another one in here and over here. So one way to get rid of all the leaves is to fly a drone over them, I guess. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this one's got some nice little dendrite pattern on it. Some more sparkly druze all over this piece here. Not the best to do anything else with, but I got some nice crystal. I swear last time we were here there was this big yellow and red flint boulder, and I don't see it anymore. I thought it was like right here, but maybe someone else broke it all apart and took it all, which they can do here. Couple remnants of the yellow and pink flint piece. Good tumbler size pieces back here. I'm looking for the ones with the color. The yellow and red mostly. Oh, cool patterns, cool banding. So closer to the front you get the black and white. Has a lot of cool crystals on it. A little sparkle to it. I think it's a leave here piece though. Here's a big chunk with some of the yellows and reds in it. It's a nice looking piece. I'm gonna keep that one. Clear leaves away. Really, bring your leaf blower if you're coming out here in the fall. This is cool. Some neat patterns in it. A little more brecciated. Will probably tumble well, but it definitely would not nap well. But honestly, most of the stuff I find here is not good napping material. Unless you're digging and breaking it out yourself. You're probably going to find better stuff for tumbling or cabbing than napping. But I'm not a napper, so I could be wrong on that. Nice little grooves on the end of that chunk. Some more kind of crystal veins through there. Start a little pile there. The leaves make it hard because I keep seeing color and getting excited, and then it ends up just being leaves. Alex found this cool piece. Look at the swirly patterns on that. Nice. I'm putting it in your bucket. I think I need to go get my bucket because there's a lot of really nice, colorful, tumbler-sized pieces. Nothing too big, but I want to pick up a bunch of these for the tumbler boxes. Some nice pinks in there. Some like oranges there. This one's got a little bit of like pink and purple and like a kind of a yellow color. This one's a really nice piece here. If I can get it out. Look at the pinks there. Might be more of a red. Tiny guy. The stripies. Really some nice colors in here. Dig into this. Alex just found this one. Look at those colors. That's like trippy. And then I just dug this one out of the ground. It's like white layer in here. It turns like a pinkish purple. And it's more chalky than regular flint. At least that part of it is. But that's like really, really purple. Nice little quartz crystals. It's like one little quartz point all by itself. Thank you. We'll leave them sitting there. Nice. Alright, we moved over to the front pit right across the street from the Nether's home. And I still stand by that this front pit is my favorite because look at the colors. The pinks, the black stripies. Honestly, this front pit's the best. And it's the easiest to get to the car as well. But that's not the reason why, it's just the colors. They're awesome here. Alright. Got a bunch of pinks. I like this like black and white splotchy pattern. You can see a lot of that up here too. These like stripes with the different colors. That's a really cool piece. Some neat colors in there. It's kind of rainbowy. I wonder if that goes all the way through, if that's just a patina. It might just be that white and gray. And it weathers to that orange color. Ooh, that's a neat looking piece. I feel like we should name the drone. I don't know what to call him. If you have an idea for the name, leave it in the comments. This piece is really cool looking. Ooh, that's way too zoomed in. Let's go there. Look at the colors on that. That's really neat. I'll wash it off better at home. Alex found this pretty pink one. Look at the colors and the swirls. This piece has some little botroidals in it, as opposed to the drues that we usually find. Cool. The best part of this location is getting to pet the kitty. There's always a cat to pet when you go to pay. At least the 4 times I've been here.